Walk me through it. What are we doing?
All right. 3.5 with the metal clips on top. So maybe you could do a 2 with the plastic guards, whatever is more comfortable for you.
Okay.
And then an OA on the sides. So it's like an OA and a fade. That's it. And then a taper. Matt knows how to correct baldness. Well, Jeremy be doing a 3.5 with metal clip.
Yeah, I'll do a 3.5 with a metal clip. See, the thing with like balding is you're not gonna know how to make it look like the same level until you hit the top. Because like on the corner right here and right here, it's just way fuller than any other part on his head. So you might have to do like.
So you're talking about right here. You might manipulate it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to manipulate. You're gonna have to make it look like the 3.5.
3.5. It's happening. Let's try it. Oh, okay. Well, I don't.
Always start in the middle of the edge.
Always.
Yeah.
You say on the side? Oh, this part on the side.
Well, Jeremy did an OA last time, but.
Yeah, like this is where you want to see it fade in.
I see the shit I gotta go through to get a haircut.
Okay. So you want it to fade right into the ball. You're trying to make
when
that
people
hair
are
look
balding,
like
you just want to make it look one length.
So not everyone's hair is gonna do the same thing. And then you gotta be careful not to actually cut into that.
Alright, so we're doing a 3.5 with the metal clips on top. And what are you, the 1, Matt? On the side? And you put a 1 on the sides, and we're gonna fade it in. And then you're gonna taper me up.
Is there 1 right there?
Oh, that boy got me looking good.
I'm learning something right now.
You like go up and it's going different than his hair.
Yeah, okay. So go against the grain at all times.
Okay, so now you see that's still black?
2.
Nah, do the 1.5 up in there. Like if you're starting out with a person that has like.
Okay, how do you want your bald line? Let's get detail with
do a bald tape.
You want a high ball tip?
Yeah. However high you want it.
Just mark where you want me to put the bald line.
Above his ear, right here.
Yeah. So I don't need no curve.
Well,
I don't want no curve.
Since you're watching, from like right here, what do you think? That's too high.
I mean, you like yours to come straight right here, though, right?
You can go above that. Like I'm saying, I'm not worried about the curve.
Ball the wrong way.
So it's almost gonna look like a fade, kind of. That's how high you can do it.
Wait.
And pull it tight and
Look at them wrinkles, though.
Oh, damn. Look at my
Them rolls.
Look at my dog.
I balled it all the way up.
Man,
Don't
I'll
be
never
scared,
get that-
Joe. Come
I'll
on.
never get that line.
Fuck
right.
that shit.
You gonna get it out?
Really? Y'all actually go all the way up?
I go all the way, like, when you want a high taper, that's why you don't.
Okay.
That's how you gonna get it high ball tape.
Yeah, honestly, I'm not balling out the way y'all
Got
ball
Matt
out.
taking care of this shit. Matt said, you know what, Joe, you ain't doing this right.
No, but that's what you need. There's no way to learn if you see somebody do it. So y'all literally go to the line.
When they want a ball tape, that's why I don't take the ball that high with my edges, because I'm gonna have to get that line out.
And you know what I do think? Like, I always balled out, but like where that line is, I always come down on it. So
Yeah,
like,
you
so-
can. I mean, but
like-
since my
like,
shit's
so
gonna be
we-
so short, like,
But no, he's about to show me how to get rid of it. Like,
well, since I'm gonna get a high taper anyways, it don't, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, my shit's already short on the sides.
So then you would just flip this, right? That's how you get the line out, right? So the line ain't there. There's a line. So you see the line still there, right? It's still there. So me, I pull my clippers up, pull the skin tight, and then lift them up like that, and that line will come out. That's how I get it out.
okay, you don't have to necessarily go high with the line. You can do all that to bring up the line.
And now, boom, this line is not in his hair.
Let me
Is
do the back like that. Tell me if I'm doing it right. Let me do the back. Same deal on the back.
everything's.
Next step.
Serious, I'm a student right now. Hey, treat me like a student, bro. Don't spare my feelings, bro. Like, do what you gotta do. You do one side and tell me what you're doing and see if I can mimic that side. Like the other side, make it look the same.
Well, really, all you're gonna have to do is no go. Like this is all.
This is all no go.
Yeah,
all the way
like,
up to workers.
Because a one
Because
is
you
like a
already
half.
did a one.
One is
Like
like a
there's
half.
no other steps on this haircut. We should. There's nothing we should have to do other than after we're done fading it all in, maybe.
Oh, so you're just gonna go like open the clothes and shit like that.
Yeah, just make sure that
You're just gonna have to adjust the lever as needed, Joe.
that's it. I mean, if you see something, you see.
But I know,
it.
yeah, I noticed you like you're only going like to here. You're not like me. I would have already fucked up and took it
Because
up high.
that's already longer.
But that's
remember?
already
One of
faded.
the-
Right here, come go with the grain. Let me see. Just like right here. If it cuts anything, if it gets anything, if his hair kind of sticks up.
Okay.
Look at it, man. I'll take this off, clean up the lid, see anything.
Oh yeah. Okay, Joe, I see you.
I don't know about the pressure or pulling the skin away. After you do your blade, always go back and like, I don't know.
I think it looks good.
Yeah. I mean, you're the customer. Man.
Yeah, it's a good haircut. I am a satisfied customer, sir. It's good. Alright, so that's the cut. I think he got down. Cut from my boss. But yeah, that's that boy Joe Dirt, aka Joe the Barber. It's Joe at Chopper's Barbershop. So you may think Joe's like a new barber. He's been doing this shit for years though. But that's why he's winning though, cause he always remains a student. He's always trying to learn. And it's good. It's a good haircut.